Well, we're at the Amelia Concourse 2023 here at the Ritz-Carlton, and we had just picked up our Signal Green 2023 Carrera GTS. It's beautiful, beautiful automobile. Thank you, Porsche Cars America, for allowing me to drive this amazing vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around and give you a quick cockpit view. This is the Carrera GTS. Has bigger turbos, more power, and you see a 7500 red line, 200 on the dash, of course, all new center stack, of course sports chrono. And just so you see the exterior, that's what the exterior of this car is. Absolutely beautiful. Yellow stitching in this particular model, and we're in a line of other Porsches going out for a drive. Also has a roof, yellow seat belts, and of course a micro back seat. Very, very nice automobile. And again, thank you, Porsche, for this amazing experience. I really appreciate it. Really looking forward to this drive.